Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a voiceover file from your gallery into CapCut. So in here, I have this video edit that I want to add a voice memo or voiceover. So what you need to do if you want to do the same is just click on the add audio button, go to sound, and in here, click on this folder icon and click on the device option. So by clicking on the device, you'll see the audio file on your phone, and just like the voiceover that you want to add. For example, I'm going to add this files right here. Click on the plus icon and that's it. Your voiceover will be imported or inserted to CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.